Y'all, welcome back to Eat with Darn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all is having a marvelous day. Y'all, I'm tired, but my day been good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm kind of drained right now. I literally just walked through the door. So, you know, I'm trying to get to my requested video. So, y'all have been requesting more burping. So, I'm going to try and do a burping video tonight. Okay, y'all? So, bear with me. I have some cornbread because I'm kind of hungry, but I didn't stop to get anything. But I have cornbread, Sam's Canada Dry. My baby had her play today with giraffes. They were fantastic. How is everybody today? I'm trying to eat something to help with the burping. Ooh. Who caught BLISS husband today, and the topic he brought up about would you
allow someone attracted to live with you and your spouse?
Right. Would you? Y'all. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, this song tastes good, but I'm trying to get a big one out for y'all. I'm looking for a bigger one. I wish this was hot. These ain't what I want to give y'all, but this is what's coming out right now. But yeah, ooh, like y'all, like way back in the day, they dad asked me some goofy question like that. I got two of them. Oh, I don't know. Boy, I laughed so hard. I asked him if he thought I fell and bumped my head. Can my friend come stay? What friend? We used to go to school together. Really? Nope. Can't come stay here. It's just Shauna. These burps don't want to come out right now. I'm gonna have to do another one. Try to grab you a soda. Maybe someone will come out back there. Girl, they sure don't want to come out. Pause it. I was going to get a hot soda. Because these are cold and they're like,
You now need to be drinking too.
Child.
You should have known that already.
Girl.
Get her, y'all.
This is not... I hardly don't want to come out. Ugh, I'm tired too. Seems like I've been going all day long. Thank you, Mama.
Tell her the show must go on, no pausing.
Y'all know, still gotta find. I still gotta do something. I'm trying to catch up on. Yes, thank you. Whew. What? I'm trying to catch up on all, you know, what everybody been asking me to do. I'm trying to catch up on it, you know, because I'm behind. I'm so behind. So, let's get to it. Hopefully we can get some big ones out.
I literally burp so many times a day, it makes no sense. Just constantly burping.
I hope I get a big one now. Ooh wee.
That is so not ladylike.
I know. But y'all, I ain't going front. It feel good. You want cornbread?
My burps suck.
It's one of them nights.
No, not for you. Not for you.
I really want
Let me
a ginormous.
Hey, cousins.
I want a super massive, big old one. That'll blow me back, shoot. Yes.
My gosh. You just want to do a boiler house now?
Mm-hmm.
This cornbread kind of good.
Ooh. She making me laugh. She is making me laugh. Okay, y'all. That's it from us. See y'all tomorrow.